Good day, sir. I am Michi Patnambis from J2C. Today I'll be reporting water light integrity and the importance of keeping it within the ship. A ship is a water light container with its own means of propulsion. Its purpose is to load and carry cargo, whether the cargo is passenger, fish, or a host of their commodities. Each type of ship is specialized for the trade in which it will operate. One of the most important factor of design is to ensure the water that the water in which your vessel floats does not enter the hull and cause progressive flooding. We call this characteristic of a vessel its waterlight integrity. Waterlight means that the structure or fitting will be prevent the passage of water through the structure of fitting in any ordinary sea conditions.
The importance of keeping it within the ship. Water tightness is required for all openings located below the ship waterline. For example, shaft tunnels, ballast tanks, and the boat thruster compartments. They must be designed and maintained to prevent ingress and egress for water during continuous submersion.